like a Hellcat.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog, I'm just going to show you another nest here in my little balcony. Here, pigeon. There's one egg there, and another nest also on top of my, what you call that, I don't know what it's called. So there, another one bird, and then there's one more here. There, actually this one, and I have one also before here. It hatched already, and the babies fly away, flew like this, and yeah, and another birds can come and make a nest, and there's one more there, and it already flied away. So the birds keep coming and making nests. Before also I got here also, but because it's too much hot here now, so I put the pots inside so that yeah, they will not die because it's too much hot here now. There. So I hope my sweet potato will not going to die.